Hello students, we are going to discuss today covalent molecule and how this covalent molecule form with the help of these examples hydrogen, oxygen and nitrogen molecule, and how to draw the dot structure for covalent molecule. Now let us see for hydrogen. Two hydrogen combine to form hydrogen gas molecule. Because in hydrogen, each hydrogen configuration K1 and each hydrogen requires the configuration of helium, which is K2. So this hydrogen requires one electron and this hydrogen requires one electron. So these two hydrogen will share this pair of electron. That on covalent bond, you know, these two hydrogen share one electron here, and they will share this electron to form hydrogen gas molecule. So all of you know that what is covalent bond. The molecule formed by sharing of electron pair is called covalent bond. There are three types of covalent bond. Single covalent bond, when one pair of electrons share between the atoms. Double covalent bond, when two pair of electrons share between the electron. Triple covalent bond, when three pair of electrons share between the electron. Now let us show me the covalent bond formation by hydrogen and how can you draw the electron dot structure for hydrogen. Now first of all, we know that each hydrogen configuration is K1. So both the hydrogen requires one electron. So what they will do to get the helium configuration, they will share this electron pair. So how to draw it? At first, for these two hydrogen atom, I am drawing two circles like this. I am drawing two circles. This is one hydrogen, this is another hydrogen, and in such a way I am drawing the circle that they will overlap on each other. So this is the overlapping region. This one is the overlapping region. Now this pair of, how many electron pairs shared between the two hydrogen? One pair. So I am showing the shared pair of electron with the help of two dots in between this, in the region of the overlapping area. I am showing this one pair of electron inside this overlapping region. Now no any unshared pair of electron here in case of hydrogen. So this is the dot structure for hydrogen gas molecule. So I am repeating again, the two hydrogen, drawing the circle for both the hydrogen in such a way that they will overlap on each other, and inside the overlapping region I am giving the shared pair of electron. Now you see those two hydrogen are sharing this pair of electron. After sharing this pair of electron, this electron pair belongs to both of them now in the hydrogen gas molecule. After forming the hydrogen gas molecule, both the hydrogen getting the nearest inert gas configuration of helium, that is K2. Now this hydrogen molecule, this is the dot structure, we call this dot structure, and we can show with the help of a single line also between the two hydrogen, which is called skeletal structure. So this is the dot structure for hydrogen. Now let us come to oxygen. See, two oxygen combine to form oxygen gas molecule. Two oxygen combine to form oxygen molecule. Now why? See, for oxygen, each oxygen configuration, what is the configuration of oxygen? K2L6. K2L6 for each oxygen configuration K2L6. Now both the oxygen has to get the nearest inert gas configuration of neon. The neon configuration is K2L8. Now you see how many electrons they have to share so that they will get, both of them will get the configuration of neon, that is K2L8. So now in case of oxygen, they should share two pair of electrons. You have to calculate that one. Both the oxygen should have to share two pair of electron, because here two more electron required, here two more electron. That means two pair. Here two more electron plus 2 then 8. Here plus 2 then 8. Here plus 2 then 8. Here plus 2 then 8. That means two pair of electrons should be shared between the oxygen atom. Now how will you draw the electron dot structure? Again, draw the two circles in such a way that they will overlap in each other. This is the oxygen, one oxygen, this is circle for this oxygen, this is another oxygen, this is the circle for the second oxygen. Now how many pair of electrons sharing between them? 2, here 2 required, repeating, here 2 required. How many? That means 2 plus 2, 4. 4 means 2 pair. 2 pair of electrons should be shared. So now these 2 pair of electrons should be shared. I am writing 2 pair here. 1 pair, 2 pair, 2 pair. Okay, now among these 2 pair, this 2 electron is contributed by this oxygen. This 2 electron contribution from this oxygen from the last cell. Last cell, how many electron? 6. From the 6 giving here 2. How many left? 4 left. So 1, 2, 3, 4 for this oxygen. Again for this oxygen will share means contributed these 2 electron in this sharing from the last cell. So how many electron left in the last cell? 4. 2 contributed here, so 4 left. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is in the unshared pair, and we will give this unshared pair of electron in the non-overlapping region around the oxygen. Now count the oxygen for count the electron for this oxygen. These 2 pair 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So oxygen getting the nearest inert gas configuration 8. 8 is there, and then again for this oxygen, how many electron? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this oxygen also getting nearest inert gas configuration. In the dot structure, we are showing with the help of the dot the last electron only we will count here. And now this shared pair of electron, both pair will be belongs to both the oxygen. So I am counting here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 belongs to this oxygen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 belongs to this oxygen. So oxygen, both the oxygen getting the nearest inert gas configuration of neon, nearest inert gas configuration of neon when they share 2 pair of electron. And in this sharing of 2 pair of electron means 4 electron, each oxygen contributed 2 electron from the last cell or the outermost cell. These 2 oxygen can be represented with the 2 lines between them like this. This is called double bond. This is the example of double bond. Now come to the example of nitrogen. Let us discuss about the nitrogen. Let us see how to draw the nitrogen dot structure. Nitrogen configuration. First of all, I want to say nitrogen, 2 nitrogen combine and form the nitrogen molecule, gas molecule. Remember, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, all these are a diatomic molecule. These are the gases. So 2 nitrogen combine to form nitrogen gas molecule. See the nitrogen configuration K2L5. For this, for another nitrogen, configuration is K2L5. K2L5. Now you see how many electrons required in both the nitrogen. Here plus 3, here plus 3. Why I am giving plus 3 here? Because both the nitrogen wants the configuration of neon K2L8. This nitrogen also requires the configuration of neon K2L8. How it becomes 8? When you add plus 3, when you add plus 3. That means I want to say that both the nitrogen wants 3 more electron. 3 more electron. That means 3 here, 3 here. That means total 3 pair of electrons. 6 electrons should be shared between the 2 nitrogen, and that electron should be shared from the outermost cell, from the outermost electrons. So from this 5 electron in the last cell, they will share 3 pair. That means 3 from here, 3 from here. Now I'm drawing the dot structure for it. How to draw the dot structure? This is one nitrogen. This is another nitrogen. For this nitrogen I am drawing a circle. For this nitrogen also I am drawing a circle in such a way that this is the overlapping region. Thus 2 circles overlap on each other, and in the overlapping region I will give the shared pair of electron. Now from the 5 electron of the outermost cell, nitrogen, from the 5 electron of the outermost cell, each nitrogen will share 3 electron, means total 6 electron. So I am giving with the help of 3 pair 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in this sharing of 3 pair of electron, this 3 is contribution of this nitrogen, these 3 are the contribution of this nitrogen from the outermost cell. So from the outermost cell of this nitrogen, when this 3 is the contribution in this sharing, how many left here? 2 left. So I am giving the 2 electron here in the non-overlapping region. Again for this nitrogen will contribute this 3 electron from the outermost electrons from this 5. After contributing 3 in the sharing, how many left here? 2. So these 2 which are not taking part in the sharing, they are giving in the non-overlapping region, suppose here. So this is the dot structure for nitrogen. So this is the dot structure for nitrogen. Nitrogen can be represented like this also. This is triple bond. Thank you very much.